Alright, let's find out what day it is. Guess what day it is? Guess what day it is? Next panel hype. Whoop whoop. What day is today? One of these days I'll make a screen for this. I'll make a room. Today is Tuesday, January 2nd, 2023. Once again, today is Tuesday, January 22nd, 2024, excuse me, which is also known as Cream Puff Day. But not only is today Cream Puff Day, it is also Buffet Day. Ooh, yes. I see how that works. Buffet of cream puffs. Not only is it Buffet Day, it is also Personal Trainer Awareness Day. Well, that makes sense. After you eat those cream puffs and you go to that buffet and you get your New Year's resolutions to go to the gym, this Personal Trainer Awareness Day. I'm aware of that personal trainer who is yelling at me for not coming to the gym. Not only is it Personal Trainer Awareness Day, it is also Science Fiction Day. Science Fiction Day. I'm all about that. I'm all about the Star Trek and the Star Wars and the Loki and the Marvel. All about it. Not only is it Science Fiction Day, it's also, well, that's it. That's all there is today. So, watch your science fiction. After you've had your personal trainer, after you've gone to the gym and seen your personal trainer and eaten your buffet of cream puffs. Have a good day. And that is what is so special about today.